What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you the best Lost Ark in-game settings to get the most performance and fix lag. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up Lost Ark and navigate to your video settings. Here, select DirectX 11 in case it's available to you. This should help optimize the game to run on your PC compared to DirectX 9. Below, set the resolution option to your native monitor resolution. Below, you should consider playing in full screen mode to get the best performance. The three settings below will have not much impact on your performance, so set those according to your preference. In your screen effect settings, you can select to use auto settings, which will automatically set the settings according to your system performance. But these settings will, in a lot of cases, be set to low, as it will also depend on which other applications are running on your system. Set the texture quality to low or medium. This will depend on your graphics card. Below, I like to set my shadow setting to a minimum. Set the character quality to medium and your particle quality to low. The anti-aliasing option should be set to inactive, unless you're experiencing screen tearing on a low refresh rate monitor. The better depth of field and indirect shadows will decrease your performance when enabled, so I suggest disabling these options, unless you have some performance to spare. A great setting is the auto optimization option, which will prioritize the video settings to quality or performance. This will change your video settings while in-game without having to go over them when experiencing low performance. In your post-processing FX advanced settings, I like to disable all of those settings, especially the flare effect and motion blur options. Keep in mind that you will have to restart the game after applying these changes. Lastly, you have the option to change your HUD size in case it's too big or too small on your screen, but this will have no impact on the game's performance. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.